Okay, we have guys saying right now XRP to $5.89 is now inevitable due to a piece of news that I want to be going through with you guys today. Along with that, we're also seeing Bitcoin move upwards, which is very nice to see considering we know that Bitcoin really dictates how the rest of the market works or moves. So if Bitcoin is moving up, this could be very bullish for our altcoins, in turn bullish for XRP. But I do want to keep you guys fully up to date with everything that is happening in this market. And if you can do me a favor, guys, this is of course my second channel, and if you want me to focus on any specific altcoins, XRP being one of them, please like this video and leave me a comment down there in the comment section, because I want this video, this channel to be more of a community focused, giving you guys exactly what you want. So let me know what you want down there in the comment section. So jumping into Bitcoin right now, we can see 87,500 after reaching our lows of about 74,000. We have since bounced from there to here about 16%. So a lovely little trade that we've seen so far. And of course, we see our trade here. We got the Bitcoin trade. We got 74,900, up 101% here because I have 6x leverage. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see when I make these trades. And of course, we also have the XRP trade. So I went long with about 5,000 XRP at $1.67. And now we are up about 80% on this trade. So if we jump over to the XRP chart here, you can see basically what this looks like to the quick eye. I would say there's a channel forming right there, a descending channel, which can be bullish. And right at the lower side of that channel, I decided to go long. The reason why I did this is because I do not think that the bull market is over. In fact, I think that this is a blip on the radar, just like we had either right here or in fact right here. And there will be another leg to this bull run. Will the next leg happen in 2025 or 2026? That is something we need to just wait patiently to find out. But we can act right now and we can make the best of the market situation no matter what is happening. So that's why I open these trades. And if you guys do want to trade similar, you have your own strategy, or in fact you want to try out some copy trading, you can do so over on Blowfin. Now Blowfin right now, if you use my link, you make a deposit, you can get 20% copy trading cashback right now, but only using the links in my description. And guys, I've been doing a test over on my main channel following this trader, Quantoshi, right? I've been following them. I put $10,000 of my own money in now about 5 or 6 weeks ago, and we have made $2,500 in profit over this period of time, which is absolutely crazy given most people would have been losing money in this market. Now, of course, past gains can't guarantee future results, but if you do want to check out Blowfin, guys, you don't need to copy trade. However, I'm really enjoying my copy trading journey here. You can also use the spot market, you can use the futures market, and you can take advantages of all the bonuses that sit down there, bearing in mind that you don't need to provide any personal details to trade on Blowfin. So the links for that are down there in the description. And right now, guys, we can see tech futures are down. This is right now. We got 0.8%, 0.8%, 0.8% for basically all of the stock market. All the while, the dollar is also down, but gold has hit a new all-time high. And guess what? Bitcoin is also breaking out and decoupling. And I know you guys who are watching this channel absolutely love XRP, and you think that XRP is also one in the same with this move to the upside. And this move for Bitcoin could show that there is power and enough liquidity to move the market still. And given how large XRP is now, being the third largest altcoin, we're going to discount USDT here, being the third largest altcoin, it does show that a lot of people are going to be paying attention to this if we start moving. Now, again, guys, there is no guarantee that we are going to start moving, but there's something that has just been announced. This is Coinbase Institutional, and right now there are people calling for a massive pump in the price of XRP because of this news. So I want to discuss what I think about this and what is happening. So Coinbase perpetual futures contracts are going live today, maybe tomorrow, depending on where you're watching this, for XRP. So Coinbase are excited to announce that Coinbase Derivatives has filed with the CFTC to self-certify XRP futures, bringing a regulated, capital-efficient way to gain exposure to one of the most liquid digital assets. We anticipate the contract going live on April 21st. Stay tuned for additional details. Now, why might this be bullish for the price of XRP? So, according to Grok here, increased institutional interest and legitimacy. Coinbase, as a regulated US exchange listing XRP futures, signals growing acceptance among institutional investors. Now, derivatives like futures allow institutions to gain exposure to XRP without directly holding the asset, which can attract more conservative investors. Posts on X highlight this, noting the move suggests institutions are warming up to XRP and it's ready for the prime time. This institutional backing often boosts the confidence in an asset, driving demand and potentially increasing its price. It's also going to create enhanced liquidity and trading volume, especially on a major platform like Coinbase. This can significantly increase XRP's trading volume, where each contract represents about 10,000 XRP, and even moderate daily trading, e.g. 10,000 contracts, could add substantial volume. As noted in an X post, estimating the impact of the derivative markets, which accounts for 75% of global crypto trading. Now, higher liquidity reduces volatility apparently and makes XRP attractive to traders, potentially pushing the price upwards. There are also other benefits like hedging and speculation opportunities, positive market sentiment, and regulatory clarity and market positioning. So these are the reasons why people are getting extremely bullish on this news. Now, I must say, we do have futures trading already for XRP, already for Bitcoin, already for Ethereum on other platforms, right? And it does increase the volatility day to day, and it also increases the speculation. One thing that I've noticed in my trading journey here in crypto is if we take a look at the Bitcoin exchange liquidation map, we can see what the majority of traders are doing using their leveraged positions. So right now, we're actually seeing a short squeeze happening. This is where the short positions for Bitcoin are being liquidated on the way up, creating buying pressure on the market. We're also seeing long positions build up on the market right now. So these are indicators that right now, the market, retail traders, are positioning themselves for a move to the upside. They normally do that after the move to the upside has happened. However, we haven't completely flushed out the short positions here yet, so there is still more room for the upside. If you're looking for a potential short opportunity, what I would wait for is for all of this short leverage to be removed. Then the market will be positioning itself for a move to the upside, and that's normally when the people who are betting upwards get liquidated to the downside, and vice versa. For me personally, I like to trade long in a bull market, which I believe we're in right now, and how I managed to get this trade, I would say this is one of the best timed trades I've done in recent times. And the reason why is because I simply looked at the futures liquidation chart and I saw everyone was going short and almost no one was going long. So I went long on 3 of my favorite positions here in the crypto market: XRP, SUI, and Bitcoin. And so far, this has paid off really, really well. And hopefully, if this is the start of the next leg to the upside, these positions can absolutely print. So if you guys do want to do something similar, remember there is a link down there in the description to Blowfin. You can grab all of the bonuses down there. Plus, if you want that copy trading bonus, there is that link down there in the description, and you guys can do something similar that I've been doing with my own money here. This isn't money that's been provided by the exchange. This is my personal cash that I put in, and $2,500 profit so far is pretty nice. But please, of course, do your research, guys. Use the links, go there, do your research, and from there, decide whether or not you want to trade on the spot market, the futures market, or you want to dabble in copy trading. All of that's totally up to you, and I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. But with that said, please remember, let me know in the comment section what you want to see here on this channel, and we can discuss it, and potentially I can make videos just for you. So with that said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.